Heads up. Hurry up and get that last one. Come on, man, with that last one. Why are you way over there? You scared? You scared? Don't get scared. I ain't gonna hurt you.
You promise not to bite. I think those other two are crazy.
Do what?
We seen ground on them other two.
Y'all scared? I walk away. I saw it hit the neighbor's yard.
Yeah, boy. All right, get that one lighted. Hey, get his flashlight from him so you can see to unwrap that one. You gotta unwrap that one. Get the flashlight from him.
Oh, cool.
He's got it in his pocket.
No, I don't.
Oh, he's got it. Hey, Steven, you got that flashlight, don't you?
No, I don't. It might be on my hoodie pocket. I think I chunked it.
I got it. Right here. Hold on, because you might not.
Oh, they're taking out the plastic out there.
Hold this, dude. I mean, you see I got a video camera. There's the fuse right there, bro. Take that off. Just sit out there and set it. See the fuse right there? Go out there and light it. Set it out there and light it. All right, grand finale. Move, Bach. Move. Move, Bach. Let's go to goddamn video camera, man. Happy 4th of July!